The transition to a net zero economy is already gaining momentum, and it creates all sorts of opportunities.
Whatu ngaro te tangata, toitu te whenua. Humans come and go, the environment is here forever.
Climate Connect Aotearoa came about as we were developing Te Taraki Tawhiri, our Auckland climate plan, with ambitious targets of net zero emissions by 2050 and 50% emissions reduction by 2030. And we did a lot of work, working with mana whenua, with different stakeholders, industry, and also with our elected members. We realised we won't be able to do this, the scale of change we need, without collaboration and also innovation.
Climate Connect Aotearoa has 4 key goals. The first one being around essentially bringing people together. What is the climate innovation ecosystem and how do we make those connections stronger? The second one being around demand-led challenges and ensuring we connect them to scalable solutions. The third one being around building knowledge and capacity for all. And then the fourth one is just really creating the space and environment for people to innovate.
The centrepiece of the identity is the tohu, and there are 3 key ideas wrapped up in it. The first is this idea of the natural environment, the second is this idea of innovation, and then the third is this idea of collectivism and coming together to achieve something.
We focus on 4 main areas in the first instance, so thinking energy, built environment, transport and food, but really recognising we need a systems approach. We need to think about all of those together.
A just transition is all about care. It's about how do we take care of one another, and also how can we be careful about the sorts of solutions that we offer. Climate action is potentially disruptive for some people, so we need to get through it as communities, as a society together.
The university's role is developing the future workforce of New Zealand, and with climate change and climate resilience front of mind, training that future workforce that can deal with the complexity, the diversity of skills needed to address that is so important. And so Climate Connect Aotearoa is coming in and defining some of those challenges. Creating these mechanisms to work together helps bring different perspectives and different expertise to the table.
As a rangatahi Māori working for the council, we've adopted a tikanga or a theme, and that's called Te Nana Ki a Māui, looking to our tipua, our ancestor Māui, to really push the boundaries, so to be innovative and open to our new solutions. And I think that's the element that rangatahi bring.
There's the opportunity, the potential of us actually really coming together as a whole global community, and our Indigenous peoples of the world have a lot to contribute in that space.
I believe that Indigenous wisdom can help save the world if we are truly authentic in terms of how we integrate it in our decision-making processes. What I love about Climate Connect is it's local, it's Aotearoa specific, and we can lead the world in this space.
I'd love coming out of Climate Connect Aotearoa as we bring different stakeholders in, as we bring different sectors in, that we start flicking it over to that positive, that opportunity, that potential. It will be great if we can tackle that equity element. It will be great if we can tackle diversity and inclusion, because of that focus not just on the solution or the technology, but that system-wide challenge that we're trying to address.
If we can come up with models, with solutions, with businesses that are investing in things that allow us to be more inclusive and work together to generate prosperity, then Climate Connect Aotearoa will have been successful.
We're really inviting people to make the connection, connecting to the transformational change that we need. What is your role in that? What is business's role, community's role in that? And how do we work together to achieve it?